Installation of Easy Thermostat. The Easy series thermostat is available in two color versions, black and white. The set includes a thermostat, quick guide and mounting plate and screws. The thermostat looks good on the wall with a dedicated frame, sold separately. Thermostat Easy works in daytime mode, created for those looking for simplicity in controlling heating and cooling. Despite its minimalist design, it provides accurate temperature control. Before installation, turn off the power supply. Remove the mounting plate from the thermostat. Screw the mounting plate to the installation box. Connect the wires according to the diagram. Optionally, you can use a dedicated frame, which is sold separately. At a suitable angle, place it behind the thermostat. Put the thermostat on the frame and hook it on the mounting plate. Turn on the power supply. The thermostat starts up, displaying all icons and the software version, and then the main screen appears. The device is ready for operation. Engo, control and save simply.